If you're familiar with the sous vide, then you already know how perfectly it Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and sometimes it's just really nice to have a little something sweet after dinner. Not a lot, just a taste. These little key lime pies are perfect for that. And what I like most about them is that you cook them without turning your oven on. If you're already familiar with the sous vide, then you know just how perfectly it cooks steaks, chicken breasts, and even a pork loin. The best chicken wings you will ever have are done in the sous vide. But did you know that you can make pies with it? That's how we're making these mini key lime pie bites today without turning the oven on. First, we'll make the filling. You'll need a bag of key limes. Cut them and squeeze them until you get a half cup of lime juice. Then get out your blender and put the key lime juice, one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 6 egg yolks, and a half teaspoon of kosher salt into it. Blend it on high for 30 seconds. So after you blend up your filling mixture in the blender, put it in a freezer Ziploc bag. And then we're going to put it into the sous vide at 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius for half an hour. While the filling is in the sous vide, we'll make the crust. Melt 1 stick of butter and mix it with 1.5 graham cracker crumbs until it looks like coarse wet sand. Butter a mini muffin pan and put a large tablespoon of the buttered crumbs into each well. Press the crumbs tightly into the pans. I'm using a pestle from my mortar and pestle set, but a shot glass or small measuring cup will work too. So every 5 minutes or so, you want to take your filling out of the sous vide and just agitate it, and that will keep it really nice and smooth. And then just pop it back in. After it's been in the sous vide for 30 minutes, take it out and cool it off in an ice bath. Then cut a small hole in the bottom corner of the bag and pipe it into the mini pie crusts. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours and top with whipped cream, lime zest, and a small sliver of lime. This is my favorite way to make pies in the summer because I don't have to turn my oven on, so my kitchen doesn't heat up. And these guys are so good. You see that? These guys are great. They're tangy and sweet, and I really love how the whipped cream balances out the tangy lime flavor. You're so good. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and if you'd like to print this recipe out, head on over to my blog, lakesidetable.com, and if you're in the market for a sous vide, I've got that link below as well. So until next week, go have fun in your kitchen, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.